Morning to everyone. I'm Pooja Pawar from Perfect Logic. In previous session, we have seen about the general parametric option. In today's session, I will explain how to do the flat transfer. Before starting the session, I will give you a quick introduction of the software. This eSociety software is specially designed for the cooperative housing society. This software used to maintain your society's account and bring related information. It makes society's finance clear and easy to understand. This software keeps a track of every bill and payment. We are continuously enhancing our software with the new features, rolling them out to you on an ongoing basis. For further assistance, feel free to contact Perfect Philosophy on 9820056086 or email us at perfectphilosophy@gmail.com. Now let's turn to the topic, which is how to do the flat transfer. For that, we will go to quick menu. In quick menu, flat shop detail. Now we want to transfer this flat number A101. Now first we will see how to transfer the flat using the utility option. For that we will go to utility. In utility, we will go to member flat shop transfer. This form will get open. Now here we will enter the transfer date on which you want to transfer the flat. 25. Now here we'll select the building, wing, unit number which you want to transfer. Now here we can see outstanding amount. Whatever the outstanding amount that member will get shown here. This 4,000 rupees. Here we can see. This is the outstanding amount, this amount of this member. Now, if you want to transfer this outstanding amount to the new member, then we have to take this option, transfer outstanding amount to new member. If you don't want to transfer the outstanding amount to the new member, then you can untick this option. Now we are going to transfer this outstanding amount, then we will take this option. Now here in new member name, we'll select the name. Here we'll enter the new member name. After that, here we'll enter the registration date on which registration done. Registration number. Two five six. New folio number. Account number or record number for the member and unit. This is new folio number. Here you can enter this number 236665. After that, acquisition. Acquisition is how the new members acquire this flat using sales or purchase, inheritance or nomination or internal transfer. Whatever by the reason this new member get acquired this flat, you can enter reason here. We'll enter here sale. After that, voting right with member. Voting right with member means if the unit is owned by multiple people, this field will leave the secondary owner who also have the voting right. Will enter the member name. You can enter if there are more than two members, you can enter the name of that member. Then here, authority for transfer. In authority for transfer, we enter the official who approve the transfer. That official name we can enter here. The remark. Remark is any note or comment related to the transfer. If you want to enter any remark, you can enter here. Transfer the share detail. If you want to transfer the share detail to the new member, you can tick this option. After we'll click on transfer. Then this will ask for do you want to transfer the member? this, then click on yes. Then this flat will get transferred from an old member to the new member. We can see here, go to flat shop detail. For this A101 previous member is this Sachin Singh. Now new member became this Aniket Raut. Here in a occupant, we can see the old member and new member. Old member will get highlighted using the yellow color and new member highlighted using this green color. So we get to know this is old member and this is old member and this one is new member. If you want to open the member identification of form of that old member, you can directly double click on this name. Then member identification form will get open. In ledger, here we can see as we have T-con transfer members outstanding amount. So the for the previous member outstanding amount is 4,000 rupees. This outstanding amount get transferred to the new member using this debit note. This is what we can transfer the flat using the utility option member flat shop transfer from this form. Now we will see how to transfer the flat manually. For this, we go to master member, member identification. Now, if you want to transfer this flat unit number A102 using manually, first we have to go to member identification form of that old member, then edit the form. Then here in member, we'll enter the dispose date on which flat get transferred. After that, save this form. Now create one record member identification form for the new member. Here we'll enter the new member's name. From here, unit number, select the unit number. After that, here on purchase on, enter the purchase date for this new member. Now save this form. Now here we can see this is the old member whose outstanding amount is 5279. This is what the process we are doing manually. For that, we have to go to transaction, account, debit, credit note. As if you want to transfer this outstanding amount to the new member, then we go to this debit note, create one debit note. In here, debit, we select the new member name. In credit, select old member name. Just by clicking on this old member name, we get the amount which is outstanding, 5279. Enter this amount. Here we'll enter the date on which we are creating this debit note, 25. In subtype, we'll select transfer. As soon as we create this debit note, the outstanding amount that is 5279 rupees get transferred from the old member to the new member. Now save this form. Now here we can see for the old member debit note get created. Now the outstanding amount for this old member is 0 and for the new member is here we can see the outstanding amount came here for this coming debit amount for the new member. Now in member identification form of this new member, edit the form. Now go to member status. Now go to member identification form of the old member, edit the form and pick this option inactive. Save it. Now go to flat shop transfer, flat shop detail. Now here we can see unit number A102. This flat get transfer. Here we can see an occupant. Old member is this Krishna Yadav and new member is Rajvika Gowdi. This is in this way we can manually transfer the flat. Now next we will see if someone by mistakenly transfer the flat like this flat number A103 flat, then we'll see how to reverse the flat transfer. Means if we transfer this flat A102, A103 to new member, but if you want to uh, if you want to reverse the transfer, then how can we do this? We'll see this. We'll go to utility, then member flat shop transfer. We'll transfer this flat 0525. We'll select building here, then wing, unit number A103. After that, click on transfer. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now go to flat shop detail. Now, if you want to transfer this flat A104, by mistake you transfer this flat A103, then how to reverse the entry we can see here. As here we can see the flat get transferred. Then how to reverse the entry? For that, we'll go to ledger. Here, click on debit note. Delete this entry. Now go to member identification form of the old member. Member identification form of this new member. Go here. This is the new member. Edit the form. Now go to opening balance. Delete it. Now delete this member identification form of the new member. Now go to this old member, edit the form. Now go to member status. Go to member, remove the dispose date, save the form. Now here we can see previously we transferred this flat to the new member, but now we can see we reverse this entry by deleting the member identification form of the new member and removing the dispose date of the old member. This is how we can reverse the flat transfer. This is all about the flat transfer. Thank you everyone for joining this session.